Tao Nan School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Tao Nan School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Paper 1. Booklet A. Question 1. Which of the following numbers has the digit 6 in the hundreds place? The number has the digit 6 in the hundreds place is 4659. The answer is 2. Question 2. What is the sum of 3809 and 450? The sum of 3809 and 450 will be, add 3809 to 450, and the sum is 4259. The answer is 3. Question 3. 1386, 1586, 1986. Missing number 3386. What is the missing number? The difference between 1386 and 1586 will be, subtract 1386 from 1586, and the difference is 200. The difference between 1586 and 1986 will be, subtract 1586 from 1986, and the difference is 400. Let us assume that the increment between two numbers increase by 200, more than previous increment. The missing number will be, add 1986 to 600, and the sum is 2586. Let us do a cross-check. Add 2586 to 800, and the sum is 3386. The answer is 3. Question 4. Divide 42 by 7, and the quotient is missing number. Divide 42 by 7, and the quotient is 6. From the options given above, 6 will be equal to, add 2 to 2, and to 2. The answer is 1. Question 5. Mrs. Lim bought 8 boxes of cookies. Each box has 28 cookies. How many cookies are there altogether? The number of cookies will be, multiply 28 by 8, and the product is 224. There are 224 cookies altogether. The answer is 4. Question 6. The fraction below are arranged in decreasing order. What is the missing fraction? 1/4, 1/6, missing fraction 1/12. The value of the fraction decrease when value of numerator maintained, value of denominator increased. From the given fraction patterns, the denominator is in a increasing order, from 4 to 6, and to 12. The missing denominator will be between 6 to 12. The answer will be 1/9. The answer is 1. Question 7. Mingwei wanted to buy a watch that cost $100. He had $32. How much more money did he need to buy the watch? The amount of money he needed will be, subtract $32 from $100, and the difference is $68. Mingwei needed $68 more to buy the watch. The answer is 1. Question 8. Study the pattern below. Which shape is the next shape? From the pattern, the next shape will be figure 4. The answer is 4. Question 9. How much longer is the pencil than the black crayon? The length of the pencil will be 11 cm. The length of black crayon will be, subtract 2 cm from 8 cm, and the difference is 6 cm. The difference between the pencil and the black crayon will be, subtract 6 cm from 11 cm, and the difference is 5 cm. The answer is 2. Question 10. The total mass of 2 similar packets of rice is 5 kg. Find the total mass of 8 such packets of rice. The number of sets of 2 similar packets of rice will be, divide 8 by 2, and the quotient is 4. The total mass of 8 such packets of rice will be, multiply 4 by 5 kg, and the product is 20 kg. The answer is 2. Tao Nan School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Paper 1. Booklet B. Question 11. Write 3000s, 700s, and 81s in numerals. Three thousands, 700s, and 81s in numerals will be 3, 7, 0, and 8. Question 12. What is the missing digit in the box? The missing digit in the box is range from 0 to 9. In the ones place, 9 plus missing digit is equal to 3. To get a 3 from the sum, missing number will be digit 4, so that the sum will be 13, and digit 1 will be carry over to the tens place. Let us do a check on the answer. Add 429 to 874, and the sum is 1303. The missing digit is 4. Question 13. Joe watched a movie which ended at 1 p.m. It lasted 2 hours. Draw the hands on the clock face to show the time the movie started. The movie started 2 hours before 1 p.m., which is 11 a.m. The hands of the clock are shown in red. Question 14. What is the smallest 4-digit even number that can be formed using the digits 8, 5, 2, and 9? In the digits 8, 5, 2, and 9, the smallest number will be digit 2. The greatest number will be digit 9. However, we are required to form the smallest even number. We shall use digit 8 instead of digit 9. The smallest number to be used in the thousands place will be 2. The next smallest number to be used in the hundreds place will be 5. The next smallest number to be used in the tens place will be 9. The last number to be used in the ones place will be 8. The 4-digit even number will be 2598. Question 15. Divide 439 by 9, and the quotient is equal to missing number. Divide 439 by 9, and the quotient is 48, remainder 7. The answer is 48, remainder 7. Question 16. 1005 cents is equal to how many dollars? $100 is equal to $1. 1000 cents is equal to $10. 1005 cents is equal to $10.05. The answer is $10.05. Question 17. Add 2/7 to missing fraction, and the sum is 6/7. What is the missing fraction in the box? "2/7 plus missing fraction is equal to 6/7. Missing fraction will be subtract 2/7 from 6/7, and the difference is 4/7. The missing fraction is 4/7. Question 18. How many more triangles must be shaded, so that half of the figure is shaded? There are 8 triangles. Half of 8 triangles will be 4 triangles. 3 more triangles need to be shaded to form half of the figure. The 3 triangles are shaded in red. Question 19. How many triangles are found in the picture below? There are 9 triangles in the picture. Question 20. Name 2 3D shapes that are found in the figure below. There are 5 3D shapes in the figure: cone, sphere, cuboid, cylinder, and cube. The answer will be any 2 shapes from the above. Tao Nan School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Paper 2. Question 1. There were 375 women at a concert. There were 126 fewer men than women. How many men and women were at the concert? The number of men at the concert will be subtract 126 from 375, and the difference is 249. The total number of men and women at the concert will be add 375 to 249, and the sum is 624. There were 624 men and women at the concert. Question 2. She received $52 change. How much money did she give the cashier? The cost of 6 towels will be multiply $8 by 6, and the product is $48. The amount of money Mrs. Lee gave to the cashier will be, add $48 to $52, and the sum is $100. Mrs. Lee gave $100 to the cashier. Question 3. June folded 130 paper stars, and her brother folded 74 paper stars. How many paper stars must June give her brother, so that both of them will have the same number of paper stars? The total number of stars June and her brother had will be, add 130 to 74, and the sum is 204. The amount of equal number of stars they had will be, divide 204 by 2, and the quotient is 102. The amount of stars June gave to her brother will be, subtract 102 from 130, and the difference is 28. June need to give 28 stars to her brother. Question 4. Mrs. Lee baked 270 egg tarts. She kept 28 egg tarts for her family, and packed the rest into boxes of 6. How many boxes of 6 egg tarts did she have? The number of egg tarts left will be, subtract 28 from 270, and the difference is 242. The number of boxes of 6 egg tarts will be, divide 242 by 6, and the quotient is 40. Remainder 2. There were 40 boxes of 6 egg tarts. Question 5. The table below shows a TV program guide. Mr. Chan watched a program from 7:30 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. A. What program did he watch? B. How long did he spend watching the program? The TV program guide shows that the TV is showing sports from 7:30 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. A. Mr. Chan was watching sports from 7:30 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. The time spent watching the program will be, subtract 7 hours, 30 minutes from 8 hours, 45 minutes, and the difference is 1 hour 15 minutes. B. He spent 1 hour, 15 minutes watching the program. Question 6. City weighs 8 kg lighter than Ravi. Their total mass is 70 kg. What is Ravi's mass? Before we are able to find Ravi's mass, we shall need to find City's mass. The total mass, after less off the extra 8 kg from Ravi's mass, will be, subtract 8 kg from 70 kg, and the difference is 62 kg. City's mass will be, divide 62 kg by 2, and the quotient is 31 kg. Ravi's mass will be, add 31 kg to 8 kg, and the sum is 39 kg. Ravi's mass is 39 kg. Question 7. The picture graph below shows the number of pies sold at a pie shop. A. On which day did the shop sell the most number of pies? B. What was the difference between the greatest number of pies sold, and the least number of pies sold? A. The shop sold the most pies on Saturday. The greatest number of pies sold was on Saturday, and the amount will be, multiply 7 by 20, and the product is 140. The least number of pies sold was on Wednesday, and the amount will be, multiply 2 by 20, and the product is 40. The difference between greatest number of pies, and least number of pies will be, subtract 40 from 140, and the difference is 100. B. The difference was 100 pies. Question 8. Alex, Benny and Calvin had 400 toy cars. Benny had twice as many toy cars as Alex. Calvin had 60 more toy cars than Alex. How many toy cars did Calvin have? The total number of toy cars will be. Add 4 units to 60, and the sum is 400. 4 units will be. Subtract 60 from 400, and the difference is 340. 1 unit will be. Divide 340 by 4, and the quotient is 85. The amount of toy cars Calvin had will be. Add 85 to 60, and the sum is 145. Calvin had 145 toy cars. Question 9. Mrs. Sanvi cut a ribbon measuring 430 cm into 3 pieces. The first piece was 150 cm long. The second piece was 3 times as long as the third piece. How long was the second piece? The length of second and third piece of ribbons will be. Subtract 120 cm from 430 cm, and the difference is 280 cm. 4 units is equal to 280 cm. 1 unit will be. Divide 280 cm by 4, and the quotient is 70 cm. 3 units will be. Multiply 70 cm by 3, and the product is 210 cm. The second piece of ribbon is 210 cm. Question 10. Janice used some sticks to make 8 triangles. She used 5 times as many sticks to make some squares. A triangle was made using 3 sticks, and a square was made using 4 sticks. How many squares did Janice make? The number of sticks needed for 8 triangles will be. Multiply 8 by 3, and the product is 24. The number of sticks needed for squares will be. Multiply 24 by 5, and the product is 120. The number of squares will be. Divide 120 by 4, and the quotient is 30. Janice made 30 squares. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.